Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My people, I'm going to present pieces of videos to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of a traffic collision. So I got information that at least 3 persons died and several others injured in a traffic collision that involves at least 4 motor vehicles. The incident happened in St. Ann, Jamaica, within the vicinity of Pearly Beach, or on a main road that have something to do with Duns River Falls. So it is believed that one motor vehicle collided with a certain amount of motor vehicles and overturned, causing the death of those persons and injuring others. It is said that the incident happened sometime after 8 p.m. on Wednesday in St. Ann, Jamaica. So based on more information that I got during subscribers, they said that others who was involved in the incident were rushed to hospital. It's really and truly a sad situation, my people. If you have any question about the situation or you want more information, you can contact me, Dancehall skilla, by reading the description down below this video, and you will be able to find a way to contact me. And I'm going to leave these pieces of videos with you so that you can have a good understanding about the whole situation. But before I leave these pieces of videos with you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up. Here are the pieces of videos. Observe.
Going at Pearly Beach, car full up and done. Everything dead in nightmare. People them still night, see them there? Yeah. Still in night to blood car. 80 wagon. Our 80 wagon. Yeah man. Mirror Oscar. So where looking at? Where looking at? Mirror Oscar. Class. Our Rangers. People ask if I Ranger. Ranger person. What person? Yeah man. Ranger person. The Ranger man on the top. Yeah, my boss. See the Ranger man on the top to blood clot. All this is the car at night. Taxi at night. Seriously, go on, brother. Seriously. Eh? Yes, the car on top of it, by head there, car on top of it, turn over, you know. Yeah, man, see that. Nobody dead so far. When you look on the car, it's full of birds, like. Taxi. Take time, catch you there. People over there dead, no one say. Oh my God, man, dead dog. Apa? Apa akan kalau family ni? Man dead brother. You see? I mean, you see big fat man kino that ground.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?